everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today, this is kind of an exciting update to the Outlander. So we got this Can-Am XMR shield thing, whatever you want to call it. I guess it's a cover, for the radiator. Looks really nice, actually. And then in the video you saw we have our 3,500 pound quad boss winch. Sorry about the quality, I'm filming from my phone and it's a piece of junk. Quad Boss has been pretty nice to me. They've been using pretty good products, or they are pretty good products. I don't know what I'm talking about. And also hardwired it back to the winch. That way I can use the winch without the machine being on. So got those two, which is really nice. And what we're working on today is we're working on the a new fuel optimizer and our HMF Performance series exhaust. So we're going to be installing that today. It's going to be a lot of quick cuts because I know I'm going to get frustrated with this, much like everything else. So we'll start off with the optimizer. You have to get out these little plastic popping things. I can't remember their name. One there. We got a screw bolt right there, if it'll focus. There you go, you can see it right there. And then down in here, got one popping bolt. No, it's right there. I don't know how I'm going to get to that. I might have to take this off. Hopefully I don't, but we'll find out. It's also a slip-on, not a full system, just to, just to clarify. And I will point out where the fuel injectors are, because I know not a lot of people do that for some reason. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get right into it. Also, one quick thing before we start, we're going to start it up and let you listen to it stock, because this is the last time we're ever going to listen to it, I guess. Sorry about the lag. I can't actually help that. Alright, so I guess see at the end of the video when we get the, or you'll hear at the end of the video when we get the pipe on and everything, but let's go ahead and get the optimizer and this stupid panel off and start getting frustrated. Alright, so as always, these things, these little popping things right here, were a pain in the ass to get off. Especially this one back here, I really don't like that one. I also took this piece right off here because it'd make it a little bit easier. And right on the bottom someplace, right there, towards the bottom, it's going to be like down in this area, like down here. That was a pain in the ass to get off, but it came, so it's alright. So it's a muddy mess down here, naturally. So we have one fuel injector right there, if you can see it. And then the other right there. So I'm going to have to stop the camera to put these on. Alright, so update, we got our injectors on. Down in here, we got that. And I stuffed the extra cords down in here. We got this mounted. I can't tell you how much of a pain in the ass this one down here was to get off. It was so agonizing. And this one down here, it'll focus. There you go. That one was almost as bad. It was terrible. Easily the hardest part of trying to do this entire process. So I'm going to go ahead and put this wiring all together, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the exhaust. Alright guys, so, well, that quick cut's probably not going to work too well. Quick update, I ran out of storage on my phone, so I wasn't able to capture the install, but I'll explain what happened. So, this is the pipe fully installed. I cannot hold this phone still to save my life. Oh my god. So, basically what you do is up front here, well, we'll take this and bend that back. Underneath like this little piece, there was a bolt. You take that bolt out, and then you got one bolt right there, and you got another bolt right there. You take those out and then it should come off. Now what happened to mine was, because it was rusted, this little clamp in here on the old pipe wouldn't come off. So took a hammer right at the end of that piece and just started beating on it, and it wiggled back and forth, and then we pulled it off and then slipped this one on, which was actually more of a challenge than I thought because of how the heat shield is. Because look how much room you got there. You don't have a lot of room, and when you're installing it, it's going to hit right there. So you want to take this pipe and like curl it up this way and then slide it on, and then you should be able to get it on there. And it looks really, really good. It doesn't match the bike perfectly, but it matches it enough to where I can be satisfied with it. And it sounds pretty good for what it is. It's a lot louder than what I thought, which is kind of unfortunate, but you know, also I'm not going to rev it up because I'm in a residential area, so I'm not going to rev it up. But in the next GoPro video, don't worry, we'll be revving her for sure. We could probably rev her a little bit, maybe not get in trouble. Once again, you gotta load that phone storage and all the quick cuts that's gonna be installed. That's gonna be in this video. So yeah, that is the HMF Performance Series exhaust. I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to record us taking the pipe off and, you know, all that. I would have had to stop anyways because I was doing this all by myself, but that was kind of unfortunate. And my fuel tuner, once again, it's underneath the seat. Ugh, that's hard to get off. So it's right there, and it's still in the pre-programmed position for now, until I like figure out how it like fully works, because I've never screwed with something like that before. So yeah, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and in the next video we'll probably do a full review of this thing, show you the stuff that I added, just kind of minor stuff, and yeah, and how I feel about the bike. Peace.